Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best neem oil spray is probably one of the most effective and natural solutions for keeping your beloved indoor plants healthy and thriving, acting as a powerful yet gentle deterrent against a wide array of common pests that can wreak havoc on your greenery, from tiny aphids and spider mites to more persistent whiteflies and mealybugs, all while being safe for your home environment and the planet. Number 5. BioAdvanced Organics Brand Neem Oil, ready to use. Tired of common garden pests? This spray effectively targets aphids, whiteflies, spider mites, and other listed insects, keeping your plants safe. Don't let diseases like black spot, rust, or powdery mildew ruin your garden. Our neem oil formula provides reliable protection against these and other listed plant diseases. Whether you're growing vegetables, fruits, houseplants, or flowers, this product is suitable for a wide range of plants. It's your go-to solution for healthy greenery. Simplify your gardening routine with this effective plant spray. It's designed to meet your gardening needs and help your plants thrive. Get the benefits of a fungicide, insecticide, and miticide in one easy-to-use product. It's the convenient way to protect your plants from a variety of threats. What we like? This option offers a comprehensive 3-in-1 formula, tackling both insects and diseases. If you're looking for a single solution to manage a variety of plant issues, this is a great choice. It's suitable for a wide range of plants, from vegetables to houseplants. What people say. This neem oil spray is effective in controlling common houseplant pests like spider mites and aphids. The spray is easy to apply and covers the plant leaves evenly, providing good protection. It has a mild scent and doesn't leave any sticky residue on the plants. Number 4. Harris Neem Oil Spray 20 ounces. Introducing Harris Neem Oil Spray, your natural solution for plant care. This ready-to-use formula is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Crafted with cold-pressed neem oil, it offers pure, effective pest control. Protect your plants the natural way. No mixing required. Simply spray it on your plants to combat common garden pests. It's that easy to keep your greenery healthy. Whether they're inside your home or outside in the garden, this spray is designed to work. Give all your plants the care they deserve. With a 20-ounce bottle, you have plenty of product to cover all your plants. Enjoy healthier, happier plants with Harris. What we like? This spray is cold-pressed, ensuring maximum potency for your plants. If you need a convenient, ready-to-use solution for both your indoor and outdoor greenery, this is the one. It's perfect for gardeners who want a straightforward application. What people say. It's a great product for controlling pests on indoor plants. The neem oil spray is effective in getting rid of spider mites and aphids. It's easy to use and doesn't harm the plants when used as directed. Number 3. Southside Plants Plant Cleaning Wipes. Discover the easiest way to keep your plants looking their best. Our gentle, plant-based wipes are designed to enhance their natural shine. These wipes help promote better photosynthesis, ensuring your plants receive the light they need to thrive. Achieve a beautiful, healthy sheen on every leaf. Formulated with care, our unscented wipes are gentle on all your plants. You can clean them without worrying about any harsh chemicals or strong odors. The extra thick waffle we've designed makes cleaning efficient and effective. It picks up dust and debris with ease, leaving leaves spotless. Whether your plants are indoors or outdoors, these wipes are the perfect solution for their care. Keep your entire plant collection looking vibrant and healthy. Each pack contains 80 wipes, providing a generous supply for all your plant cleaning needs. Enjoy the convenience and effectiveness they offer. What we like? These wipes focus on leaf health and appearance, promoting better photosynthesis. If you want your indoor plants to look their best and thrive, consider these. They are ideal for those who prioritize the aesthetic and overall health of their foliage. What people say. It is a good product for controlling pests on indoor plants. The spray is easy to use and covers the plants well. It effectively kills spider mites and mealybugs without harming the plants. Number 2. Organic Plant Protection Concentrate Spray. Protect your plants from common pests and diseases with our natural formula. It's designed to tackle issues like powdery mildew, spider mites, and aphids effectively. Whether your plants are inside or out, this spray provides comprehensive protection. Keep your greenery healthy and vibrant in any environment. You can use it with confidence on your vegetables and lawns. It's formulated to be safe for your edible plants and turf. Effectively controls a variety of common garden nuisances. This includes whiteflies and fungus gnats, ensuring your plants are safe. This 16-ounce concentrate offers powerful protection in a convenient size. A little goes a long way to keep your plants thriving. What we like. This organic concentrate provides broad-spectrum protection against common plant pests and diseases. If you're seeking an eco-friendly option that's safe for use on vegetables and lawns, this is an excellent pick. It's designed for those who prefer concentrated formulas for cost-effectiveness and control. What people say. This neem oil spray is effective in controlling common houseplant pests like spider mites and aphids. The spray is easy to apply and covers leaves evenly, providing good protection for indoor plants. It's a natural and organic solution, making it a safe choice for use around pets and children. Number 1. 7 Minerals Pure Cold-Pressed Neem Oil. Discover the power of pure, cold-pressed neem oil. Extracted with care, it's a natural solution for your needs. This generous 32 fluid ounces bottle ensures you have plenty of this versatile oil on hand. Enjoy long-lasting benefits. Our formula is non-GMO and hexane-free, guaranteeing a pure and safe product. You can trust its natural origins. It's perfect for a variety of uses, from nourishing your plants to enhancing your skincare and haircare routines. Experience its multi-purpose benefits. Combat dry skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles with its potent natural properties. Achieve a smoother, more radiant complexion. Support healthy hair growth and achieve luscious locks. This oil is a fantastic addition to your hair wellness regimen. What we like. This offers 100% pure, hexane-free neem oil in a generous size, suitable for plants, skincare, and haircare. If you're looking for a versatile, high-quality oil for multiple uses, this is a fantastic value. It's perfect for the multitasking individual who wants natural solutions for both their plants and personal care. What people say. This neem oil spray is effective in controlling common houseplant pests like spider mites and aphids. The spray is easy to use and provides good coverage for indoor plants. It helps to keep plants healthy and promotes new growth without harming the leaves. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.